everyone, this is Grace Opure, your real estate investment expert, your author, the best-selling real estate investment books now in Nigeria. I am so excited to be with you today. Today we're going to be talking about something very interesting. If you have not subscribed, please press the subscribe button. And if you have not turned off your notification, don't even bother. Because after this beautiful thing I'm going to be sharing with you today, you will just have to turn on your notification button. So today we're going to be talking about 3 major steps in calculating what? Your wealth number. You know that I have always spoken, talked, taught, enjoyed my time with you, sharing with you what wealth number it's all about. So today I said 3 major steps in calculating your wealth number in real estate investment or using real estate investment. Number 1, determine the present economic value of your property. And if you do not have one, yes, you can. And project the future value for 2 to 3 years. So what that means is, if you already have a real estate investment and you want to begin to calculate your wealth number, you must determine, you must project, you must be able to know what your property is saying today, tomorrow, and what your property would become in value in the next 3 to 5 years. With that, you can actually calculate your wealth number. Remember, like I said, that your wealth number determines how long you're going to live financially, and which is very important to your health and your well-being. Number 2, calculate the return on your investment, which is ROI, which means your return on your investment. Return are in 2 ways: cash flow or instant return on capital appreciation. You know why? Real estate has various types of return, and the 2 most important return is cash flow and your capital appreciation. This is measuring how your money and your profit is doing. You know, what you have earned in your investment, whether it be today or what you are earning and what your gain is. So simply put, ROI is equals to investment plus gain. And the 3rd thing, which I'm going to dwell on, and which is very important to me, you cannot give what you don't have. And that is, find new ways to increase your income. I hear a lot of people call it more streams of income. This is what I always and will continue to teach in my new money summit. So turn on your notification button and it will notify you on when I am bringing new money summits to your state, which is very important. In my new money summit, I am teaching a lot on how you can increase your income, how you can multiply your income, how you can have more streams of income. Income. When you do not make new money, your old money begins to depreciate. So it's so important that as you continue to live every day of your life, you must intentionally, I want to say it again, intentionally, and I'm going to say it again, intentionally make new money every day. Yes, as you learn on how to use your old money to produce new money. So before I go, I'm sure maybe you're watching me for the first time, or you want to share this video, please kindly do so. Somebody might just be saying, what is wealth number? And that is why I have done a course on lifecarduniversity.com on how you can calculate your wealth number. Remembering that calculating your wealth number is for financial freedom. And I know that every one of us wants to live in financial bliss. And so take the course on how to calculate your wealth number. Turn on the notification and know when I'll be coming to your state, where I'll be teaching you on how you can increase your capacity to make more money. Until I see you again, don't forget to share this video. I love you.